to our YouTube channel. My name is Miss Kami and I have my trustworthy helper with me. Her name is Kenya. Kenya, say hi.
Hi.
Alright, and today we are teaching you, or we're showing you how to make DIY Play-Doh. Now the beauty with this Play-Doh is that it's taste safe, which means it has no chemicals whatsoever. We're using kitchen items and kitchen, what are they called?
Tools.
Kitchen items, kitchen tools, and pretty much we're using some flour, some all-purpose flour. We're going to use some vegetable oil, we're going to use some food color, food essence, and salt, and that's all you need. Alright, Kenya, are you ready to start?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to start in a bowl. You're going to take 1 cup of flour. So you make sure you fill it until the top, and make sure you don't pour on the floor, okay? Alright, so we're using 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Fill it up. We remember what we said about hands? We always use both hands so that we don't make a mess. Good job. Make sure it's full. Alright, good job. 1 cup of flour. Put your flour inside. Well done. Put the cup back. We're using salt. You're going to... Let's put this here.
1 cup?
No.
4 cups?
No, a 1/4 cup salt. So take with the spoon and put it there.
Until it's full?
Yeah. Quarter cup salt. Good job. Put your salt into your flour. Well done. Can I please have the spoons? And then we're going to use 3/4 cups of water. Now the water is hot, so I'm going to have to pour the water for you, okay? So you're using hot water, not boiling, just hot enough. And that's 3/4 cup of hot water. And then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, just any vegetable oil you have in the house. So take some. Good. Put it in here. Well done. Good job. And then we're going to use some food color. What color do you want your Play-Doh to be? Blue or green?
Blue.
Oh, we already have blue. Let's try green. Green. Let's try green.
2 greens.
2 greens? What do you mean 2 greens?
We have this one. Wait. 3.
We have enough Play-Doh, as you can see. So let's show them how to make some Play-Doh so that they also have some at home. So you're going to take as much food color as you want. Depends. The more you put food color, the darker your Play-Doh gets. So can you please mix that up quickly before the water gets cold? Good job. Alright, in the meantime, I'll be making a small well in my dry ingredients. Mix them up. Then make a small well. Thank you. That's good. Put this away. And what you do is you pour your liquid into your well. And as you pour, you're mixing. As you can see, this is one of those things that gets messy. Don't be shy. Mess is good. As long as you can clean up and you're healthy and safe, go for it. This is also one of those activities that would be nice if you could have your child join you in it, like you saw. If your child is older, they can help you measuring. If your child is younger, I will show you the step at which you can have them be a part of this process. So just mix up your flour. Now the idea is sometimes these things just don't work the way you expect it. The idea is you want to get a good chapati-like consistency of dough. So just keep adding in some flour until you get the consistency right. Kenya, in the meantime, I can see she's already keeping herself busy with Play-Doh that we had made a while ago. So like I said, just keep adding your flour until your consistency.
We had made this one.
We made it a long time ago. I made it without you when you were not with me.
Oh.
Yeah. Perfect. So once it starts forming a ball like in your bowl, you just, this still needs a bit more flour. But once it starts forming a ball, then you know you're heading in the right direction with your consistency. Alright, I think this is safe enough to give a child without making too much of a mess.
Not like the other time.
Yeah, we've tried this before and it was a big mess. Kenya had to run out to go wash her hands. Alright, Kenya, can you please put that one down so that you can mix this one up, okay? Oopsie. Okay, yeah.
With a lot of flour inside the bowl.
Okay, so the other thing I forgot to mention is, this actually needs a bit more flour. That you need to check before you give this to your child to help you knead. You need to check that the dough has cooled off, because remember we had used hot water, so you don't want to give your child dough that's way too hot that can easily burn them. Oh, we forgot a step, Kenya. The other thing we forgot is that you can always add essence to your dough to make it smell nice, which just makes it a nicer experience for them. At least, you know, their motor skills as well as their...
This now smelling like flour.
Their motor skills as well as their sense of smell is in play at the same time. Alright, Kenya, I want you to mix it all up until we don't see that it's white. It needs to be nice and green, alright? So basically, what you're going to do is you're just going to do it like this with your fingertips. If it's still too sticky, you tell me. It might be too sticky. Let's add some flour on our board.
Like
Alright,
chapati.
yes, like chapati. Alright, go for it. Be careful. Remember we said we need to not make too much of a mess. Good. So yeah, this is the point where you can let your kids join in with you. It's good for, like I said again, it's good for their fine motor skills. Exercises those finger muscles.
Still sticky the inside. And it's nice and warm.
Yep, it's still a bit warm. Okay, I think that's enough flour now. So just mix it the last time. Mix it the last time. I hope at home you're able to do this and let us know if the process turned out well. It's always nice to have easily available homemade resources for your child. It's not too expensive and it means that you can always replenish whenever necessary.
Smelling, I can smell something.
Alright. Rub it here on the flour. Rub it on the flour. Alright, so basically there you have it. You have a batch of homemade taste safe Play-Doh that your child can use whenever they need to, you know, just have some quiet time, because this really helps them stay busy for a good amount of time. Alright, so the last step is you're going to need to store your Play-Doh in an airtight container. This just helps it from drying out. So we're going to put it in here. And then you're going to cover it. And if you use this Play-Doh well in a place that's not too dirty, you can use it about 4 or 5 times before you need to make another batch. If you're using it on a surface like a table, a dining table, or your kitchen counter, this can probably last you a little longer than 5 uses. that's it from us, guys. We are so glad that you could be with us during this experience. Bye.
Bye.
See you next time.